Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, Ugeninda did everything to connect these guys to each other. He did just about anything. Now, ifoni busy, ifoni labantu, basasa no lebo bamfonela benza all sorts of things because they can see it's the same number. How Ntanzi is explaining it. They keeps on calling it. They just like, okay, we must find out the voice notes and this girl. Who is this guy? Who is this person basically? At the time, before they realized it was actually a woman. And then the next thing, trying to connect people, but accused number 5. So the two accused number 5 officer wazana nontanzi. Guys, like where now? Who's Ntanzi? I don't even know this person from a bar of soap. Angimazi lo muntu lo. Ngimbizi ngiyangifostani forcing the guy down my throat like what must happen? I can't repeat myself anymore. Vula kanje uNtanzi what I can't. I'm done.
Wase yabhala-ke imanje ukuthi-ke ungaphakathi-ke esitokisini uma kuphinda futhi-ke lihlehliswa icala lokho kuzokwenziwa-ke nge-video call lokho okubhaliwe lana.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa icorona yaye kuphe isecourt noma yaye police station angihlala kuyo la ngifuna ukucaciseleka.
May I get clarity? I hear you, but as it is said here, agent accused absent due to COVID was due to COVID in court or at the police station where I was kept. Just some clarity on that one.
Yes, well, we're going according to the record, Babantanzi.
Sifunda okubhaliwe la Mnumzana uNtanzi.
And just to also fully put on record what happened on the 13th of July 2020, it says defense, Mr. Mjiako, digitally recorded. Mr. Mjiako addresses court, says request postponement to 3 August 2020 in discussions with DPP before will apply for bail.
Sibuyeleke emuva-ke sikufunde konke-ke okubhaliwe kwange-13 kuJuly 2020 ummeli umjiyako-ke wase enza isicelo-ke enkantolo ukuthi icala lihlehliswelwa zona 3 ku-August 2020 washo-ke ukuthi-ke bayakhulumisana-ke noma kunokukhulumisana okukhona noma iy'ngxoxo ey'khona-ke ne-DPP-ke ihhovisi labashushisi ngaphambi kokuthi-ke sifake isicelo sebheyile.
And it says adjourn to 3 August 2020, formal bail application, in custody, no bail. Sergeant Mokhani warned for 8:30, A court.
Yaqhubeka-ke inkantolo yase-ke iyaguqa-ke kuze kube nge-3 zika-August 2020 isizathu-ke esibhaliwe lapho-ke ukufaka-ke isicelo sebheyile uzogcinwa-ke ngaphakathi ayikho i-bail yabe ixwayisa-ke uSergeant uMokhane inkantolo ngesikhathi sika 8:30 e-court.
You were present according to the record of these proceedings on the 13th of July 2020.
Nge-13 zika-July 2020 ngokwalokhu okubhalelwana wawukhona enkantolo.
And Mr. Mjiako addressed court.
Umnumzana uMjiyako wabe nenkulumo ayidlulisela enkantolo.
Do you have any comment?
Kukhona ofisa ukusho?
Mina Nkosi enkantolo namanje la kunento le ekithi mhlawumbe okungidida kancane.
Yeah, my lord, there's something that confuses me a bit.
Number 1 Nkosi enkantolo. Kule ya court ngingena eboxini ngifasiwe izandla mina nenyawo.
Firstly, my lord, when I entered the court, I was handcuffed and there were leg irons as well.
Ngingena ngomnyango lo ongena bona inkosi enkantolo angene ngomnyango ongena ebosho.
I used the very same entrance that the court is using or the magistrate is using, not the entrance that is used by the other prisoners.
Nizothi ngingakafiki lapho kuhlalwa khona phansi kuhlala khona mina njengomuntu oboshiwe umuntu umfica wenzani uyakhuluma ecourt.
Even before I get to the accused dock, even before I get seated, I will get in there. Someone is already addressing the court.
Ngizothi ngisamila bese uToleka Ntanzi icala liyaguqaguqela umhlakabani bese ngifuna ngithathiwa ngiyaphuma ngiyahamba.
And whilst I'm still there, my lord, and then the interpreter would then interpret to me, Ntanzi, the matter is postponed to such a date. I'm then taken out and I leave.
Ngoba mina bona ukushitshela kwami kumama lo ngangena kuye Rustenburg umama omlungu benginika umuntu omnyama ngingasho ukuthi kwangisiza ngoba umama lo yakwazi ukuthi ngikwazi ukusikhulumela ecourt.
Because when the change was made from the white lady to the black lady, I would say that was to my benefit because that lady assisted me. I was able to speak for myself.
Ngoba since ngibuke ikatona lapha ngiphambi kwecourt akaze ngene ngifaswe izandla kodwa kuloya mama ngangena ngifaswe izandla nenyawo.
As I've been attending court, I've never entered court with my hands cuffed, even in this court. But with that lady, my hands as well as would be cuffed and also on leg irons.
Le nkulumo ebhalwe la ngiphikisana nayo ukuthi nje mina into engisho ukuthi yini la yayekhuluma wayethunywa ubani ukuthi aka-address yonke lento ayikhuluma ecourt.
What is recorded here, I'm not disputing whatever is recorded here, but all I'm asking is what is it that he was saying or addressing the court on or about?
Now, here, Mr. Ntanzi, we just want to put it to Giako. We then refer to the proceedings at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 24th of June 2020 before Ms. Cronje to indicate that Mr. Mjiako was also present, and we are now traversing the proceedings of the Tlhabane Court to indicate that Mr. Mjiako has continued to represent you. That is the purpose of the exercise that we are busy with.
Esikwenzayo ke manje ukukhombisa ke ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi umnumzana uMjiyako ke beku ummeli wakho siqale sasho ke kwena ke ukuthi ke ngazo i23 zika June 2020 ngokubufakazi ke phambi kwenkantolo bakhe uBrigadier Gininda nahlangana ke wena naye umnumzana uMjiyako naphinda futhi ke nge24 zika June 2020 ngathi ke uphambi kwayo imantshi Miss Cronje nalapho ke umnumzana uMjiyako wayekhona manje ke sikufundela ke noma ke amaphepha ke asenkantolo aseTlhabane ukukhombisa ke ukuthi ke ngaso sonke isikhathi uMjiyako wayekhona wayeumeli wakho yiloko esikwenzayo njengamanje.
Kosenkantolo ngicela ukuphendula kuqala.
May I first respond, my lord?
Yes.
Inkulumo kaGininda lona iqiniso phambi kwecourt.
What Gininda said before the court is not true.
Number 1 uGininda nomshushisi phambi kwecourt abayilethanga incwadi leyo okubonisa konke uMjiyako wafika ke metro station.
Firstly, the state as well as Brigadier Gininda did not produce the book which serves as proof that indeed Mjiyako came to visit me at the police station.
Ngisho yena uGininda imbala ngoba uBrigadier nje ecourt uBrigadier iphoyisa elikhulu akaza ayingikhombisa icourt ukukhombisa konke wafika ke metro station.
Even Brigadier Gininda himself as a seasoned police officer never gave the court any proof to indicate that indeed he was at the police station to see me.
Okwesithathu kosenkantolo mina ngishonga ukuthi uMjiyako akusummeli phambi kwecourt.
Thirdly, my lord, I never said that Mjiyako is not a lawyer.
Mina ngibuza ukuthi phambi kwamshushisi utshena ubani ukuthi ngiboshiwe ubani wayemtshena ukuthi futhi ngiye Boksburg ubani wayemtshela futhi ukuthi ngiye court lezo zinto engisibuzayo ngemngazo nanokuthi wayebhadala ubani izinto ezi4 lapha phambi
It's
kwecourt.
4 things before this court that I inquired or asked him about as to who told him that they had been arrested, who told him that I was in Boksburg, who was paying for him, and who appointed him to represent me.
Thank you. And we had traversed the proceedings of the 13th of July 2020, 3 August 2020. We just want to, in light of what was placed on record by counsel, we just want to then just go back a bit to the proceedings of 3 August 2020.
Ngenxa ke yaloko bese kushiwo ke ummeli phambi kwenkantolo sicela nje ukuthi ke sibuyele ke la ku kwange-3 zika August 2020.
According to these proceedings, Exhibit RR on the 3rd of August 2020. It says defense accused Mr. Mjiako. Then it says digitally recorded, adjourned to 17 August 2020. Accused absent due to COVID. In absentia. In custody, no bail. Next postponement will be done via video call.
Lana ke kuzona i3 ku August 2020 bhaliwe ke ummeli Mr Mjiako la ezansi kwabhalwa ke inkantolo yaguqa ke kuze kube nge17 noma iqala kuze kube nge17 zika August 2020 umsolwa akekho ngenxa yezathu ze corona iqala ke lahlehliswa umsolwa engekho noma ke ungekho ase yabhala ke imanje ukuthi ke ungaphakathi ke esitoksini uma kuphinda futhi ke lihlehliswa icala lokho kuzokwenziwa ke ngevideo call lokho okubhaliwe lana.
Yebo ngiyakuzwa icorona yaye kuphi esecourt noma yaye police station angihlala kuyo la ngifuna ukucaciseleka.
May I get clarity? I hear you, but as it is said here, agent accused absent due to COVID was due to COVID in court or at the police station where I was kept. Just some clarity on that one.
Yes, well, we're going according to the record, Babantanzi.
Sifunda okubhaliwe la Mnumzana Ntanzi.
And just to also fully put on record what happened on the 13th of July 2020, it says defense, Mr. Mjiako, digitally recorded. Mr. Mjiako addresses court, says request postponement to 3 August 2020 in discussions with DPP before will apply for bail.
Sibuyele ke emuva ke sikufunde konke ke okubhaliwe kwange 13 ku July 2020 ummeli umjiyako ke wase enza isicelo ke enkantolo ukuthi icala lihlehliswe ke lihlehliselwa zona i3 ku August 2020 washo ke ukuthi ke bayakhulumisana ke noma kunokukhulumisana okukhona noma ingxoxo ezikhona ke ne DPP ke ihhovisi labashushisi ngaphambi kokuthi ke sifake isicelo sebhayile.
You were present according to the record of these proceedings on the 13th of July 2020.
Nge 13 zika July 2020 ngokwalokho okubhalelwana wawukhona enkantolo.
And Mr. Mjiako addressed court.
Umnumzana Mjiako wabe ese nenkulumo ayidlulisela enkantolo.
Do you have any comment?
Kukhona office ukusho?
Okusho khona ukuthi ngalesi sikhathi mhlambe khuma lenkulumo kulesi sikhathi mina ngiphandle kuthiwa kungena abameli nephoyisa ngaphakathi kodwa la sonke asime ngaphandle ngamalanga ecorona.
Maybe when he said this or he addressed the court on this, I was standing outside because there were times when it was said it would only be the lawyer as well as the police officers that would enter court. We were then told to wait outside. There was no way that I was not going to raise my hand when I wanted a bail.
Now, this is now the third time that Mr. Mjiako is physically at court.
Leli ke manje kwase kuyihlandla lesithathu ke ukuthi abe khona yena mathupha enkantolo umjiyako.
Nami ngathiwa ihlandla lesi10 namanje mina impendulo ngitholile phambi kwecourt ukuthi ngubani wamtshela ukuthi ngiboshiwe wayekhokhelwa ubani imali.
Even if it was said that it was the 10th time, I still maintain or I'm still asking as to who told him that I was in court, who was giving him financial instructions.
Then the case is adjourned to 5 October 2020.
La seliyahlehiswa kitala, hlehliselwa i5 October 2020.
Then on the 5th of October 2020, it says, accused Mr. Mjiako.
Guys, angithi ngiyabona ukuthi uRatha akasukela is starting again lezinto zakhe zabantu abamnyama and then he changes around, he switches it around and says ukuthi athu mnisi so uthini sabantu abamnyama athi abantu abamnyama njengami That's not what he meant. And it's not the first time. Wake wazwabizwa na uJgeorge Mlambo, Judge President, yamtshela ukuthi, can you please stop with those things at court? And azasho futhi umnisi ukuthi and it's crazy how the court is favoring state. Athula uRatha aqhubeke nokukhuluma. uRatha is just messed up, bro. We've been saying it so many times ukuthi uDominic uNtokozo Mjiyako ngoba kuthiwa uyi-advocate. We don't know about that anymore. But mawuchecka on Google, he's actually an advocate and he's based la at Dunkeld. You see, in Dunkeld is like between your Rosebank and Hyde Park. But Sagafunu uyi-ghost. I'm just like, but we always fighting about him. And they always forcing on dance. That's your lawyer. He did come. It's just like it didn't come. It's not by person, the person. It's getting that person. How does he know who's I'm coming to court? About that, it's just like, please, I don't know him. Please, I'm so tired of this story. It's like a broken record.
Would he have just come to court without having received instructions?
Wavele nje weze enkantolo engatsheliwe.
Kusho khona weze kodwa mina seBoksburg uyizele ngamazi ubizo obani.
It's indicative of that because even in Boksburg he just came without me knowing as to who called him.
The case is then adjourned to the 3rd of August 2020.
La seliyehlehiswa ke icala lehlehiselwa zona i3 August 2020.
And Mr. Mjiyako is again on record.
Phinda futhi ke umuntu obhaliwe lana ke kumele uMjiyako.
Are you also saying that on this occasion you did not give him instructions?
No, objection, madam. That's exactly what Mr. Ramusipili is saying, that the state is misleading the court because it has not read the whole information that is contained in this record. On the 3rd of August 2020, this is what is recorded here. Adjourned until the 17th of August 2020, accused absent due to COVID in absentia. So how would have Mr. Ntanzi knew that Mr. Mjiyako was there when he was not at court? We requested the state to be very sincere and be very honest with this court, my lord. I said yesterday on numerous occasions that we owe this court a duty. Uberima ifide. Uberima ifide simply means of the utmost good faith. We need to be sincere to this court because at the end of it all, the decision that the court is going to take, to a larger extent, it depends on what we are telling this court as counsels, my lord. Now, if we are misleading this court, then there is just but that little probability that the court's decision will also be based on what we've been saying, which has been misleading to this. We implore the state to be very sincere with this court.
I think it's too strong to say it's misleading. He could be making a mistake, but when he says,
how does he make a mistake when he's got a document in his possession?
This is the problem.
Okay,
you argue with a judge.
Thank you, my lord.
Yeah, this is what happens to blacks. You argue with a judge.
Excuse me, my lord.
This is what happens to blacks.
To blacks?
Yeah, to blacks like me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
you know
you.
what? This thing of saying it's misleading. This gentleman could be making a mistake. When you say it's misleading, it means he is lying. Like
he's intentionally doing it.
It means he's lying, like my brother Madlanga put it the other day.
Yes, my lord.
Right.
But
are you
lord,
lying, sir?
No, my lord, I'm not done. But how can he say?
Good.
How can the court say that he could be making a mistake when he's got a document in his position?
Okay, fine.
He is reading it.
Let's ask him. Let's ask him. Let's ask him.
I really don't want
The court is
to.
very defensive to the state, my lord.
You
I
what?
don't know why.
Yes.
You say?
Let's explain this to Baba Ntanzi.